Some people leave the tape on. I like to remove it. So basically, you just remove this fitting off of here. Like that. So you have this nipple. This fitting goes in here. Like that. That's how it's gonna start to seal it. But before you do that, you have to route this part, all the way into here. Now, at the end of this, at the very end of this, there's a lip. So you're gonna have to push this hose all the way to the end of the lip. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. It does help if you use a little bit of lube. So the best technique is to push and twist at the same time. I'm almost there. Almost at the end. So now the hose is sitting all the way against the lip till the very end. And now you could go ahead and start twisting this on. But before we do that, once again, I'm gonna put a little bit of lube on here so it could go on where it's supposed to go.